Hi guys, this is TechTube. Today I'm going to show how to fix Alexa hand-free calling in your Android mobile. For that you need to enter into your Alexa. On that top left corner you may see a dash icon. Just enter into your dash icon and you may see an option called contact. Just enter into your contact and you need to enable the contact in the Alexa settings. How to enable? Just click that top right corner, a three-dotted icon, and you need to import the contact. Just enter into the import contact and enable the contact which is in your mobile. Now the problem has been solved. Let's check it.